Hey guys, today I show you a trick with a normal deck of cards and a rubber band. Okay? Normal rubber band. Ooh, magic. Yeah. And so, select the beginning card. Let's say this one. It's the 9 of diamonds, alright? Put the 9 of diamonds on top and give the deck a few cuts, another cut, and another cut, one more cut, and the shuffle. Whoa. And one more shuffle. So now, I need the rubber band. I put the rubber band about the whole deck, around the whole deck, and watch closely. I let the packet fall, and one card springs out of the whole deck. Your nail diamonds. So, this was the trick, and now to the tutorial. So, you need the normal rubber band, okay, and a normal deck of cards. You let the spectator pick a card, let's say the two cards in this case, and you control the card to the bottom of the deck, okay, with a few cuts and shuffles. You have to control the card to the bottom of the deck. Alright? So, now you hold the pinky break above the bottom card and push the card down. Okay? Now you do the rubber band around the whole deck, but spectator's card, except for spectator's card. Well, you do the rubber band around the whole deck, except for the spectator's card. Again, you hold the break, push the card down, and do the rubber band around the whole deck, except for the spectator's card. Now, you take a few cards from top with your right middle finger and thumb, push them on the side, just like that. Now, you turn over this packet, just like that, and do it on the bottom. Now, there you have the spectator's card in the middle of the packet. Now you let the card fall, and this card springs out, jumps out. Yeah. That was the trick. Hope you liked it, and yeah, see you next time.